Hi, I'm Judy Lieb, and I am Whisking the Southern. Whisking the Southern really is the culmination of my upbringing and then bringing up my own kids. I am a Southern California girl, born and bred, but my mother's whole side of the family is from Georgia. And I didn't understand why everybody didn't have chicken salad in their fridge and pound cake on their counter and were eating grits for breakfast. I really came to realize that I am so heavily influenced by my Southern Georgia roots as a Southern California girl. And so I started whisking my Southern roots into everything I do here in Southern California. I went to culinary school 40 years ago, but the story that my mom loves to tell the most is she came downstairs one morning and I was standing on a step stool. I had a pound of bacon in a cast iron skillet and a dozen eggs broken on the floor. And she was like, "What are you doing?" And I turned around, I was like, "I'm making breakfast." So I literally have been cooking since I was 2 years old. Whisking the Southern to me really is about authenticity. One of my adages that I like to tell my clients is be fearless in the kitchen. Well, it takes a lot of fearlessness to put together Southern California, healthy, fresh fruits, but bringing in those Southern roots. Sometimes it's fried food. Is there a way to do that that's a little more authentic to California, but still keeping in touch with my Georgia roots? Food has no soul. The soul comes from you. And that has to be really authentic and fearless. So when you're making a cake, if you don't want to do those perfectly straight, smooth sides, don't. Everybody who loves you is going to love that cake. There's something really comforting about imperfection and feeling like it's accessible to you. That's what I want for you. I want you to be fearless in the kitchen. Who cares if the coconut went all over the place? Who cares if there's too much raspberries on top or not enough frosting on the sides? You be you. If you never fail, how will you know what success tastes like? Whisking the Southern offers a variety of services. The first and foremost one that I love is I want to be accessible to you, because maybe you don't have someone that you can pick up the phone or send a message to and call and say, "Hey, did I do this right?" And I'm always going to make you feel good about it. I have this great dinner party series coming up. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to give you the recipes. I'm going to tell you about invitations. I'm going to set the ambiance for you. And you're going to get a curated Spotify playlist to go with every theme. So if you're interested in this dinner party series, go over to my website. You'll see the link over there. Sign up. If you want to just kind of play around a little bit, sign up for my newsletter that comes out and you will get a freebie, a template on how to plan this party. There is so much more to come. There's recipes here on my social media. I've always got hacks and tips and even motivational food quotes for you. So come back, go to my website, sign up for the newsletter, sign up for a class, send me a message letting me know what you want to learn. Let's learn to be fearless in the kitchen. I'm Chef Judy with Whisking the Southern.